Another day, another wonderful trade taking. So I was able to catch this price on VIX 50 index on my $73 account size, and I'm over $20 plus in profit. I've closed some profits earlier. My TP got smashed. I made over $250 on this trade. My first TP and my second TP has been smashed, and trade is heading to my third TP level. Right, so I was able to grow my small account of $70 to over $300 on this single trade, and I had zero drawdown on this trade. Basically, I got into the trade at this point on this 15 minutes time frame candle that closed this second ring candle here. I got into the trade at this point, had zero drawdown. Trade moved in my direction immediately, and I've been holding this trade. I'm safe in this trade. I have about one position running up in profits now. I have one position running up. I had about 6 to 7 positions on. I've got my TP. My TP has been smashed, and I've taken partial profits on this trade. Now my SL is above my entry, which I'm expecting this remaining position to get to this point. I'm still bearish on this index, regardless of looking out for short-term buy opportunity. We could be seeing possible reversal from this point, from this zone of VIX 50 index. That's the reason why I had my last TP level set at this point. We have a strong level here, a strong level of resistance, which we could get potential sells on in the coming hours and days, would say. Right, so what made me buy this index? How did I know this index is going to buy from this point? I just took advantage of these short-term buys, because on same price on this level, on same price on this zone, yeah, I knew that we're going to get a push to the upside, because I'm bearish on this index still. I'm locked down bearish. We could see this index sell to as low as this point in the coming days and weeks. I remember days ago I did a video on this index calling the sells, yeah, and I think I also took a buy trade on that video, which I still told you guys that I'm bearish on this index. We could get this index sell to this point, we could get the sales to the zone, because we have this trend on the weekly time frame which we have to take note of. Yeah, we could see this index sell to as low as this level in the coming weeks and months probably. So I was able to spot this zone. Having that this index is on a downtrend, I identified a level at this point, identified a zone here, which we got an order block on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, on the 4 hour time frame, would say we had this bullish order block here on this 4 hour time frame, and having that this has been a level that price has expected, checking previous market moves. When we go to data, we can see that market has expected this zone which price is currently on. Market reaction here, that's why the market is finding it difficult to break below this level. So we can see market reactions on this level, resistance, support, resistance here, resistance at this point as well, resistance here, resistance. Then we got price buy on this level as a support. After this sells as a resistance. So there was a break of trend on the daily time frame. There was a break of trend. Naturally, for markets to break below this level, it's expected that you're going to get short-term bullish moves. You're going to see the buyers give short-term, possess their short-term bullish strength before the sellers will take full charge of this market. We could just get price play around, push up a little bit before you could now get the drop to the downside, because this has been a strong level in the market. So the market is kind of acknowledging this level. Would say you can see market tracking resistance, price broke up with support here, support at this point as well. Though we are supposed to get the buys from this point as a support until market approach this zone. In that video, I was able to catch short-term buys. I think this daily time frame candle here, I was able to catch these short buys, which we later got the sells to the downside. We didn't really get markets react on this level properly, so we got this sells to the downside. Then the past 2 days, markets consolidated in this zone. Then today we are getting this breakout, we're getting this bullish move, which I'm expecting price to get to this point. Then something of this kind, a little move to the upside for price to test that zone for the sells, for the sell continuation here, because we're already on the sells and we've got these lows broken. There was a break of structure here. We've got these lows here Sorry, that was for time frame. We've got these lows. We've got price take out these lows here. This low at this point. Then a new low was formed. A lower low was formed at this point. We got a new lower low, a new low here, which is a lower low, which is a bearish structure, right? Of same price create lower highs and lower lows on the daily time frame. A high, a lower high, lower high, a low, lower low, and a new lower low was formed. So it's expected that we get price push up a little bit to test this level for the sell continuation. Yeah, to complete this downtrend. Market is currently on a downtrend, so I think I know the sellers are in charge of the market at the moment. They're just getting short-term buy moves. They are just like a corrective move for the sell continuation. So that's why I take the buy trade on VIX 50 index, and I'm still expecting more buys for price to get to my take profit level, which is at this point here. We can see here my TP level, which is close to our sell zone. Expecting price to get to this zone before I can get the sell downside. So I got my entry on this on price testing this other block formation on the forward. I think I was able to identify a sensitive level here, which I got my entries on, and I got the market moved straightly to profits with zero drawdown, which is a wonderful trade I took this morning here. So let's see what happens. More buys expected. I'm safe in this trade because my stop loss is above my entry, and it's expected that market gets to my 30p level before testing this zone for the sell continuation and checking this level, confirming that sell zone, that sell level. Yeah, we're bringing up a Fibonacci to matching it up from the swing highs here to the swing lows. We can see that this sell zone which we identified here, this sell zone here, is in line with the 618 fib level. So we could just see price do what, push up a little bit to test that zone for the sales, because that zone is in line with the 618 fib level, which is a good retracement point, and market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation on the 1 hour time frame, which you can see a high here and that high at this point, a lower high we got here, a lower high at this point, a lower high at this zone here, lower high here, a lower high at this point as well. I've got market is about to create a new lower high on the test of this zone, which I'm expecting the sales from, which I'm anticipating on getting the sales from. Yeah, so you can see we got our lows as well. First we got the first low here, the second low, a lower low, the third low, a lower low here. So we've got price towards create a series of lower highs and lower lows on this 1 hour time frame chart, which is a bearish structure. So just a little retracement to this zone, then we'll be seeing the sales. So I just took advantage of the short-term buys, regardless of having the bigger picture, of knowing the bigger picture of the market, knowing that the market is on a downtrend, the market is bearish. Yeah, so that's this, guys. That was what I take the buy trade on VIX 50 index, flipping my $70 account to over $200 account. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So for more trade beginners like and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my channel viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. So it means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.